Well, in 1989, I was owning a shop just over there, and a chap called Stefan Mertz came past, and we became friends and became colleagues. And it turned out that his father, Herr Mertz, was a master wig maker. So he introduced me to it in 1989 in Zurich. I was over there with my friends, and we're having a laugh and a joke over there at the weekend. And on the final breakfast before we returned to London, Stefan's dad threw this hairpiece at me that just identically matched my hair, identically matched my lack of hair, and I was captivated. The only problem, it was really old technology for me. It was a lace hair system with a rim around the edge, so it sat proud. It felt brilliant, but the technology wasn't there. So fast forward 20, 30 years or something like that, I've now fully lost my hair, and we find this PU or polyurethane membrane system that's bonded to your scalp that's identical to what I would have been after all those years ago, back in 1989. So what happened was we got introduced to it by a company. We liked the idea of it, we worked with it, we became their lead salon to go to, or their educating salon to go to, and that's how we got into hair replacement. From there, we've developed our own techniques and we've pushed forward, and that's where we are now.